Want to build powerful AI workflows in under 60 seconds without writing a single line of code? Today, I'm showing you how to do exactly that using a platform you might have known as Appy Pie Automate, which has now transitioned into its new AI-native era as Flozic. Flozic is a no-code workflow automation platform built specifically for AI-driven teams. It connects over 1,000 of your favorite apps like Slack, Gmail, HubSpot, Shopify, and ChatGPT, allowing you to automate repetitive business tasks instantly. Whether you want to automatically summarize emails with ChatGPT, log Shopify orders directly into Google Sheets, or sync contacts between HubSpot and Salesforce, Flozic lets you set it up visually. Getting started is incredibly simple because they offer two different paths. First, there's the self-serve route. You can sign up for a free account in less than a minute and start running real production workflows right away. No sandbox limitations or sales calls required. But if you have a highly complex workflow or you're looking to migrate from platforms like Zapier, Make, or NAN, Flozic actually lets you book a free 30-minute one-on-one call with an integration specialist. They will literally jump on a live call with you, architect your workflow, and help you design a custom migration plan. Now, let's talk about user feedback. While we don't have individual, detailed written reviews to pull specific complaints from today, the platform boasts a highly impressive 4.7 out of 5-star rating on G2, backed by over 1,300 reviews. Users love how quickly they can get integrations up and running. On the flip side, Flozic openly admits on their site that they might not be the perfect fit for every single business setup, but because you can start completely free, there's virtually no risk in testing it out for yourself. If you're ready to save hours of manual labor and let AI agents do the heavy lifting for your sales, marketing, or support teams, head over to their website and set up your first workflow. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more no-code AI tutorials, and let me know in the comments which apps you're planning to connect first.